One TV Patrol.
Usami sa IP community makarekomendar na og IPMR sa dili pa mulibkas ang Oktubre. Sa dili pa matapos ang bulan sa Oktubre, aduna nay marekomendar nga bag-ong IPMR o Indigenous People Mandatory Representative. Nagkanayon si Indigenous People Committee Vice Chair Dinky Suiso na si former IPMR nga karon Chieftain Relinda Bation nga karong Oktubre 24 adunay paghayon nga consensus meeting og mosunod na niini ang selection process. Alang sa Usamis IP community, usa ka makasasayanon ang ilang pagpili o pagrekomendar o bag-ong IPMR. Gumikan kay niini nga bulan na Oktubre, gisaulog sa IP community ang Indigenous Peoples Month. Kining aktibidad sa Usamis sa IP community gikalipay kaayo ni IP Committee Vice Chair Dinky Suiso, gumikan kay gikinahanglan na kaayo kini ni Mayor Indy Waminal nga mabutangan na og bag-ong local o bag-ong representasyon ang local IPMR sa konseho.
The furnished copy letter addressed to the city mayor from the chieftain of the Subanen, Honorable Relinda Bation, informing him or asking for approval for the upcoming selection and confirmation process for the new IPMR Indigenous Peoples Mandatory Representative. She asked that before the October 31 selection process schedule, she asked for an October 24 consensus meeting, a short meeting with the IP political structure leaders in 5 ancestral barangays, so that they could come up with a resolution on who will be their official representative for the next IPMR mandatory councilor for the city. As well as another letter coming from the IPMR of Gala that they will be having a assembly or EPRA month celebration this coming October 30 at 9 o'clock in the morning at Barangay Gala, Uzami City. This IP assembly is an annual activity of the members of the Subanen tribe in Gala, which they wanted to have the annual successful and meaningful celebration of the Indigenous Peoples Month, which is October. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
One TV Patrol.